Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're joining our clay friends, Leo and Mia, for a super important lesson that's also super fun. Look at Leo. He's just finished playing outside and is so hungry. He spots a giant, delicious-looking sandwich waiting for him in the kitchen. He can't wait to grab it and take a huge bite. He reaches out, ready to dig in. But wait! Stop, Leo! Mia cries, rushing over just in time. Leo looks confused. Why can't he eat his sandwich? Mia points to his hands. They're covered in dirt from playing. Leo, she explains gently, your hands might look a little dirty, but there's something else on them you can't even see. This is our secret weapon, she says, holding up a bar of soap. First, we get our hands wet. The water splashes as they put their hands under the faucet. Next, we grab the soap and make lots and lots of bubbles. Mia shows Leo how to rub the soap all over his hands, making a big, foamy lather. Now for the fun part. Mia says, we have to scrub everywhere to make sure we get all those germs. Let's sing a little song while we do it for 20 seconds. Scrub the palms and the backs. Get in between all your fingers. And don't forget to clean under your nails. They scrub together as fluffy white bubbles overflow from their hands and fill the sink. It's like a mini bubble party. 20 seconds later, they rinse all the soap and germs away, down the drain. They dry their hands on a clean towel. Leo looks at his hands now. They're not just clean, they're sparkling. He feels so much better. Wow! Thanks, Mia, he says. Now, it's finally time to eat. They both sit down at the table and enjoy their tasty sandwiches together. Remember, just like Leo and Mia, always wash your hands before you eat. Stay clean and stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye for now.